Ukunyuka kwentengo yemali mboleko akusikhona ukunyuka okukhulu okufana nokwaphambilini. Ongoti bezomnotho bathi lokhu kuyinkomba yokuthi iNingizimu Afrika isiya ngasekugcineni ekunyuseni imali mboleko. Lokho kusho ukwehla kancane kwentengo yempahla ethengwayo.
Load shedding would have shaved off the growth of 2023 2%. So when we have growth of 0.3%, give or take, we think that growth could have easily have been 2.3% during the course of this year, and that load shedding had actually shaved that off.
Usomnotho Johan Els uthi izikhathi ezinzima kubathengi lezi, kodwa uthi ukwehla kwentengo yezimpahla kumele kwehlise incindezi kubathengi ababhekene nayo.
Lower inflation this year compared to much higher inflation last year, and even though interest rates are high, they just a little bit above what they were pre-COVID. So overall, for consumers, I think maybe this year might turn out to be not as bad as many people fear.
Uma ubokhokhela isikweletu sendle esibiza isigidi samarandi esikhathini esiyiminyaka engama-20, lokho kusho ukuthi imali oyikhokha njalo ngenyanga izokwenyuka ngekhulu nama-68 wamarandi ngenyanga.